Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you use our function QuickCreate to create projects in a very easy way in TimeLog. Go to Projects, click at New Project QuickCreate. This is your view and you start by naming your project. We say it's Tester 3. And let me show you how it looks like when it's an internal project at first. So you mark over here. Now you have to create your tasks and you simply do that by naming your tasks here, Tester 4, Tester 5, and then it goes on like this. Now you have to select your employees. The first resource is yourself, and then the second resource you just choose from your list over here, and then it goes on like this. Now when you're done creating your project, click at Go to Project and then say Create Project, because then it immediately brings you to the project. But let me show you how it looks like if it's not an internal project. It's the same thing, but you can either search for your customer in this field, or you can select your customer from your list. We have a tester here. And then you just do the same thing. Write the name of your tasks, the list goes on, and then also choose your employees, and then say Go to Project, Create Project, let's see. It brings me to my project. Tester 3 was my project name, and these were my tasks. So this is how you use the function QuickCreate to create projects in a very easy way in TimeLog.